Hi, this is Wayne with Thousand Oaks Home Theater, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Spotify with MusicCast going through your RTI panel app. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up RTI panel. Mine's right here. Once opened up, you're going to choose the room that you're going to be listening to Spotify in. In my case, I'm going to choose the garage. And then my choice is MusicCast for my activity in the garage. I'm going to select that. And then currently it's on Pandora, and you can see my Pandora stations are right here in this list, which I could, of course, choose, but I don't want to listen to Pandora. I want to listen to Spotify. So down on the lower right, there's a button that says Spotify. I'm going to click on that. That's going to launch the Spotify app out of the RTI panel app for me. So now I can select a playlist from Spotify. So before I select a playlist, I'm going to, down at the bottom, there's a green where it says system capture. I'm going to go ahead and tap on that. It's going to bring me up the album art, and then I'm going to have to tap on it again. Now the interface is going to be similar to this, but won't look exactly like this. It's this way because of the screen capture that I'm doing right now, but essentially what you want to do is, in my case, I want to select the garage. For you, it may be home or house or some other device, but you want to select that almost like you're airplaying to that device. So I'm going to tap in the space above, and now I can go ahead and hit this little down arrow in the upper left. That's going to get me back to the playlist. I'm going to select a playlist I want to listen to. Anything that you want. I guess I'll just choose this rockabilly right here, and I'll hit shuffle play. And you can see it started playing down at the bottom. The song came up. It still says garage. It has the AirPlay symbol there. If you want, you can go back to the RTI panel app very easily. Just tap on the RTI panel back button up in the upper left-hand corner. That way you can go back there and maybe adjust the volume in different rooms, or maybe you want to play this now in all the zones. And that's how you use Spotify with the RTI panel app.